Hello guys, I am doing 2 feet in braids. If you want to see the transformation, keep watching. All right guys, hope to see you at the end. Like, comment, and subscribe.
Break my heart, oh that breaks my heart. That you thought you ever had it, no you ain't from the start. Hey, I'm glad you're back with your bitch. I mean, who would wanna hide this? I will never, ever, 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 ever be your side chick. I put the singing single, ain't worried about a ring on my finger, so you can tell your friend, shoot your shot when you see him. It's okay, he already in my DM. Why men great till they gotta be great? Don't text me, tell it straight to my face. Best friend set me down in the salon chair. Shampoo press, get you up.
All right guys, in this section, what I am doing is I am separating the hair in pieces. I use the same size pieces to achieve this style. What you guys will also notice is that during my braiding, if I feel like a client's hair is thinner, what I'll do is I'll use 2 or 3 of the strands together to give it a certain thickness. You guys definitely keep on watching the video. Also, in the description down below will be all the products that I use. Alright guys, what you're seeing me do now is the parting section. I slowed it down so I could show you guys how I go in and how I part her hair. You guys will see me lift her hair up at the back. That's to make sure that it is even. Also, you guys, parting the hair is one of the most essential things for you to do. Especially as a braider, guys. The 2 braids can either be the simplest or the hardest style for you. You guys, your braid is gonna be lifted up on one side, down on the other. But guys, once you get that parting correctly and the molding of the hair done correctly, I promise you guys, it'll be so much more simpler. When you going in to part that hair, just make sure that it's even on both sides. So lift that hair up at the back, what you guys will see me do, and make sure it's so essential. You guys, when you are molding that hair, you do not need a lot of product. What you're going to do is go in at the roots, then smooth it. Only at the roots. and then smooth it. You guys just keep watching it and you'll see exactly what I mean. You guys, for natural hair, this right here, what I'm about to do, is going to be so essential to the naturalness and the smoothness of your braid. When you are doing natural hair, you want to tuck that hair behind the braiding hair. Guys, I cannot stress that enough. Tuck that hair behind the braiding hair. Tucking the natural hair, your natural hair, behind the braiding hair. There you go, guys. Tuck that hair, guys. Alright guys, we are finally at the end. Check her out. Doesn't she look lovely? Alright guys, as promised, I do have a sneak peek style. You guys let me know if you would like this style. Alright guys, thank you guys again for watching. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you guys in a later video. Bye guys.